Oh my God. That was perfect. Hey, welcome back. Today we're gonna be making Nola mussels. This is family meal. Some people have told me they're intimidated by buying mussels. They don't know what to look for, how to cook them, how to clean them, but it's not that hard. What you wanna do when you're buying shellfish is you're always buying live shellfish. You have to cook live shellfish. Dead shellfish can lead to food poisoning. It goes bad very fast, so you wanna stay away from that. To tell if a mussel is alive, you're looking to see that it's closed. If it's open, you could apply some pressure to it, tap it, and the mussel should close on its own, unless it's dead. To clean your mussels, you're gonna use a knife and you're gonna just scrape off any grit or sand or barnacles that might be on it. These are farm raised, so they're not gonna have much of that on it. They also come with these little beards on them, which you're just gonna take a knife and pull down and take that right off like that. After you clean your mussels, you're gonna rinse them off with cold water and then you're ready to start cooking. For this recipe, you're gonna need andouille sausage, shallots, garlic, creole spices, butter, fresh herbs, some dry cooking wine, and of course the mussels. You got your saute pan. You're gonna set it to medium. You're gonna throw a little bit of oil in there to get the party started. First thing we're gonna dump in is our beautiful shallots. You're gonna dump in your garlic along with it and your creole spices. So in there, we have a little bit of salt, black pepper, a Creole blend that I get. The brand is actually called Tony's, and then red chili flakes. So you're just gonna saute that around, let your shallots get a little bit transparent. And if you don't have shallots, use onions. Shallots are just a little bit sweeter, and they go really well with this dish. Doesn't that look cool? So you're gonna do this for about a minute. Then you're gonna add your andouille sausage. So andouille sausage is a smoked sausage that's very popular in Louisiana. And that combined with the Creole spices is why we named this dish Nola mussels. And if you haven't been to Nola, you're definitely missing out. So do yourself a favor and go. Hanzo, you been to Nola?
Have not.
You seem like that uptight kind of guy, you know, I'm not surprised by that. And then you're gonna add 2 cups of your dry white wine, and you're gonna put the heat to high. And this, you're gonna wanna cook for 3 minutes, but you want this boiling.
All right, questions. If you could only eat one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be?
I'm really bad at favorites, so don't ask me favorite questions, all right?
All right. Top 3 foods of all time.
I'm really not into like the whole favorite thing. Like you just because you took it from 1 to 3, it's still like a favorite thing. And it really bothers me that you would do that right after I said don't do that. Favorite thing to wear.
Very memorable restaurant experience that you've had.
The best restaurant experience I had.
Oh, now you're doing best. Now you're doing favorites.
No. So hold on, Hanzo, we gotta cook this. Now we're gonna dump our mussels in. This wine's got a good boil. I'll dump those right inside there. And mussels are very easy to cook, and they cook very fast. This is gonna take about 5 or 6 minutes. As soon as they start opening up, that's when you know your mussels are cooked. Keep those inside there. And then we're just gonna let that wine, that garlic and onions do their magic. So you're gonna lower your heat now, and then you're gonna dump in your finishers. That's a lot of butter. And your herbs. Some parsley and basil, because they're delicious and they make everything better. Hanzo, get in on this, come on. Why are you so scared all the time? Get close on this. There you have it, Nola mussels, the perfect item for this summer. You know, it can go great over pasta, or you can have it as an appetizer with toast. My ex-girlfriend used to order it all the time. You know what? Cut, Hanzo, I'm done with this.